Mastering English phrases. Have a good journey. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase that you might hear quite often, especially if you're traveling or saying goodbye to someone who is. Have a good journey. It's a simple phrase, but it's packed with meaning and positive wishes. So, let's unpack it together and help you understand not just its meaning, but also when and how to use it. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video is for you. Have a good journey is a phrase used to wish someone well when they are leaving on a trip or moving from one place to another. It's similar to other well-wishing phrases like safe travels or bon voyage, which is French but commonly used in English as well. This phrase is all about expressing your hope that the person's travel will be pleasant and without any problems. The key words here are have. In this context, it means to experience or go through something. Good. This means pleasant, enjoyable, or satisfactory. Journey. A journey refers to the act of traveling from one place to another. You can use this phrase in various situations where someone is departing, such as airports, train stations, or bus terminals, saying goodbye to someone embarking on a trip. Personal farewells. When a friend or family member is leaving for a vacation, a business trip, or moving to a new place. Professional contexts. Wishing a colleague well on a business trip. It's a versatile phrase that fits many contexts, primarily focusing on the aspect of travel. While have a good journey is widely understood and appreciated, there are other phrases with similar meanings that you might hear or use depending on the context and the relationship with the person traveling. These include safe travels, often used interchangeably with have a good journey, emphasizing safety. Bon voyage, a French phrase adopted into English, used in the same way as have a good journey. Have a nice trip, similar to have a good journey, but can be used for shorter or less significant travels. Understanding these alternatives helps you vary your language and better fit into different conversational contexts. We hope this video helps clarify the meaning and use of have a good journey. It's a phrase full of good wishes and positive vibes, perfect for sending off someone embarking on a trip. Remember, it's not just about the words you use but also the warmth and sincerity behind them that convey your best wishes. Safe travels on your journey of learning English, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.